A petition challenging the election of Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko has been struck out, with petitioners Japhet Muroko and Zacchaeus Okoth directed to pay 5 million shillings to the governor and Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. Initially, the petitioners sought to withdraw the application over alleged threats. In his ruling, Judge Mbogoli said the court cannot compel the petitioners to further the case. George Maringa tells us more.
The sight of a crying governor is not a common one, and when it happens to be one of the most recognizable faces in Kenya, it makes one wonder what's up. Mike Sonko first cries, then sings along what would be perhaps a tune that signifies his joy. These videos are from his Facebook posts, hours after the High Court struck out a petition submitted September 2017 against his gubernatorial victory in the August 8th general election. It is a petition that was filed by Japhet Muroko and Zacchaeus Okoth that would see their lawyers submit to the court claims of threats to their witnesses that would stall the hearing. A day later, presiding Judge Mbogoli struck out the petition after the petitioners told the court they were not interested in prosecuting it further.
By dismissing the application to strike out the petition, the court intended to avoid the petitioners being driven out of the seat of justice without a hearing. As matters stand now, they are no longer interested in taking advantage of that right, and the court cannot force them to proceed with the matter they have lost interest in. For now, this court is left with no alternative but to order that the petition filed by the two petitioners against the respondents shall be and is hereby struck out for want of prosecution.
The petitioners were seeking nullification of Sonko's victory, claiming that his election was marred with massive irregularities. Lawyers from both sides expressing their views on the matter that came as a surprise to many in the courtroom.
It is very unfortunate that we had to be subjected to this charade of litigation, where some people alleged that the Nairobi gubernatorial elections for 8th of August last year were not conducted in conformity with the law and constitution. And it ends up that they are so afraid to show up even in court.
The petitioners had this morning just filed a notice of intention to withdraw the petition.